My hair has completely dried, and first impressions, I ain't gonna lie, it's a little crunchy. Hello guys, it is your girl Prissy and welcome back for another video. You guys have been requesting another hair tutorial and I am very excited to bring you one. I did a combination of brush curls along with some finger coils, but I'm trying out a new product. Well, it's a new product to me because I've never heard of this before or this brand, but look at these results, y'all. So I'm very excited to share this hair process with you guys. If you enjoy videos like this, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Turn on your notification bell so you never miss an upload. Now let's jump right into the tutorial. All right, so let's get started with the product that I'm gonna be using today, which is the star of the show. Now this product is called My Black is Beautiful. It is their defining jelly. It's a golden milk with honey and coconut oil. It stretches and shapes textured hair. It also says it has no parabens and no dyes. So I am very excited to try this product out. Let's pump out a little bit on my hand. Ooh. Okay. So it is like a more like runny jelly consistency. I like that consistency, and let's see how it smells. It smells good too. Like I said, it has that honey and coconut, so it smells good. Very excited to give this a try. For my scalp, I'm gonna go in with the Donna's Recipe Strength Hair Oil. And you guys know that I absolutely love using a leave-in conditioner prior to me adding any type of styler to my hair. I normally use a Cantu leave-in, which is a clear leave-in. I went to my cabinet to get all my stuff and I had no more. But I'm gonna replace my leave-in conditioner with the aloe vera gel with witch hazel. We're gonna start off with clean hair. My roots have been freshly colored. I washed my hair and also did a conditioner on it last night. I know you guys asked me like what shampoo and conditioner I use. I really don't have a particular like shampoo and conditioner, but I have been using the Mane and Tail products to wash and condition my hair. And then I'm gonna give that a massage just to penetrate it into my scalp and just make sure it gets all over my scalp. Do not be afraid to give yourself a scalp massage. Probably gonna do 2 little handfuls of this aloe. And I'm more so concentrating the aloe on the ends of my hair. You wanna just massage that product into your hair, making sure you get all strands coated. For the most part, I love having my hair from either damp to really wet. So I'm gonna just part some sections and go in and add some water just to add that moisture into my hair, locking in that oil and also that aloe vera. So just going in and finger parting different sections and adding some water. And I really love the water bottles with the continuous spray. If you guys are interested in this, I'll leave it linked in the description box below. As a matter of fact, all the products that I'm using in today's video, I'm going to link them down below for you guys. Parting my hair, see it looks really dry right there. All right, so now comes the fun part. We're getting ready to go in and start styling the hair. The consistency of this puts me in the mind of the gelato, the product that I used in my original brush curl video, and you guys were trying to find that product so much. It was a consistency like this, more of a like runny gel gelato consistency. So if this works good, you guys may be able to replace that product with this. So all I'm doing is raking that product through my hair, being sure that all of my strands are covered. So I'm gonna use my rat tail comb and just really work that product in, combing it through. All right, so using my sponge, I'm gonna go in and create those coils around the sides and back of my hair. So the back is gonna do better anyway because it is shorter. I'm just gonna go and like, look how fat that is, no way. So I'm just gonna go and add a little more product. And I'm just gonna use my fingers to make some smaller coils in this area because that was just too big. So here's what my hair is looking like so far. The curls they're there, I like them. So far so good. Next, I think I'm just gonna split my hair into like 4 sections. We're gonna start up front first. So I am gonna section it down just a little bit more because if you notice, this area is shorter than this. Also gonna go in with a little bit more water. And then I'm gonna use my detangling brush to just make sure my hair is good and detangled. Adding some of the product to this section next. And what this product is doing is kind of foaming up. I don't know if you guys can see that, but it's foaming up just a little bit. So taking this section right here, I'm gonna use my rat tail comb to just make sure the product is worked all the way in. I love doing that. Ooh. Okay, and so for this next section, we're gonna do the brush curls. Now I am gonna put 1 coil right here because see, that's a little short. So we want that definition around the front of the hair, at least I do. So I am gonna add a coil right there. But for this section, I'm gonna go in with the detangling brush and just rake that through. And this creates more of like that wash and go type curl. So just like that. And then we're gonna do the same thing for this entire top section right here. So just adding water, going in with that product. Also gonna open it up, right? And add a little bit more product and water inside there, just to make sure all of the hair gets some of that styling product and some water added. So what I think I'm gonna do for this section is start parting from the front. As you know, I like doing finger coils on this front row just to make sure I have that definition in the front. If you guys are interested in my coil and go tutorial, I have 2 of them. So I'll link both right here in the card so you guys can check those videos out. This product has some really good slip too, because as you can see, I'm just running my rat tooth comb, which has very small teeth, through it with like no issues. So again, I'm just gonna use that brush to create those coils. And someone left a comment on my video, on my brush curl video, saying, hey, I saw that when you coiled it, it didn't look that curly at the beginning. Did you use your finger to finish that coil? And y'all, I don't have to. I don't have to use my fingers to finish the coils unless I really, really want to, but I didn't, because as you can see, the curls start to shrink and draw up into a coil. So it's gonna coil up, just have patience. Again, just sectioning my hair. I love working with smaller sections. That way it ensures all of that product is being distributed through my hair a lot more evenly. So I just run my brush through a couple of times and then either fold my brush up or down. And it really, really creates coils, y'all. Look at that. Oh my gosh. I am not mad at this. At any point during the process, if you feel like you need to add a little bit of water, please do that. It's only gonna help with the style. It's not gonna hurt. So again, using my brush. This time I'm gonna go upward with the curls and then just let them drop. Y'all, also just going in, trying to get rid of those little spaces right there, which I'm gonna try to do it before it dries. So that way it dries without the spaces. So now that my hair is done, guys, this product is really, really good. So another question that I got is, do I absolutely need a diffuser? Like, should I buy a diffuser? And my answer is 100% yes. I absolutely love my diffuser, and I have this really small diffuser attachment. This is a universal diffuser and it was under $10. I take this thing every time I go out of town because you just never know when you're gonna have a hair mishap, have to fix your hair or do your hair all over, and you need it to dry really quickly. So definitely invest in one of these diffusers, especially if you already have a hair dryer. And also they kind of make your hair stand up and makes it a little bit taller. So if you have like limp hair or kind of thin hair where you can't get it to stand up, because I have gotten those comments too, like I can't get my hair to stand up, use these two right here, baby. These two will make your hair stand so much taller. Now, before I start diffusing my hair, I am gonna add these little clips to the front because I wanna try to create just a little bit of a bang. Normally, I wear my hair kind of pushed back, but I want my hair, because it's growing just a little bit, y'all. So I want my hair to kind of, you know, fall and stay down a little bit in the front. So I'm just gonna add these clips and kind of like elongate the curl a little bit. And then once it dries, this section will be a little bit longer, as you can see. So now that my hair has dried maybe a fourth of the way, I'm gonna go do my makeup, come back, finish drying my hair, and then we'll get started with like picking it out and just finishing up this style. So I'll see you guys after my makeup is done. All right guys, so I'm back. My hair has completely dried, and first impressions, it gives me so much definition. But it's a little crunchy, y'all. It's a little crunchy. But I have faith that once I add a little bit of oil, and it's definitely on day 2, the hair will feel so much better, plus still have that definition. So I ain't mad at the product for being just a little hard, you know, it's a little hard. I ain't mad at it though. So now I'm gonna go in with a little bit of oil on my fingers. I always like to add a little bit of oil right before I get ready to pick my hair and finish the styling process. So today I'm gonna add a little bit of black castor oil. I love adding black castor oil, especially like to my edges and stuff like that, just to keep my edges intact. But today I'm gonna add it all over my hair. So I'm just gonna give my hands a little rub together and then just kind of separate those curls a little bit and add this oil to my hair. The curls are so pretty though, y'all. Like, I can't even complain about that. So now I'm gonna use my pick to just go in and pick out those roots. Just lifting the roots up a little bit. I'm not gonna go too crazy on my hair, y'all, because I do want this style to last a lot longer than, you know, a couple days. So I'm not gonna go too ham on my hair with the pick, but I am just gonna add a little bit of volume, especially at the top. And like I told you guys, if you need some help in this area to keep your hair lifted, go ahead and use that diffuser, especially before it dries completely. You want to use that diffuser and just put the pick here, use your diffuser, and your roots will lift up. So I'm also going to go in with my rat tail comb and just make sure everything is kind of, you know, seamless. And that is all I'm gonna do, y'all. Like, really, really easy. But do you see these curls and these coils? Like, do you see this? All right, guys, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, be sure to give me a thumbs up. Also, subscribe to my channel and turn on your notifications so you never miss an upload. I'll also link my natural hair playlist down below so you guys can check those videos out as well. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye-bye.